Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Drive with Santa mode inside of the Waze app. Drive with Santa is a fun addition that Waze adds to their mapping app through the Christmas season. Last year, they allowed you to change your appearance, your vehicle's appearance, and then the voiceover for directions. This year, they've done it again, but added even more choices. To get started, make sure that you're updated to the latest version by heading to the App Store and updating. Once you're on the current version, open the Waze app. From the main screen, tap My Waze on the bottom left. You'll now see the Drive with Santa as a menu option. Choose that and you'll then be shown the new options, Santa or Mall Santa. Starting with moods, you can change how you appear on the map to other users. Again, choose between regular Santa or the Mall Santa. Next, under car, you can choose between Santa's sleigh or Santa's sedan. This icon is only available to you. And finally, you can change the voice directions voice to either Santa or Mall Santa. When you're finished, tap Done at the bottom and you're all set for a new holiday-themed Waze app.
We've got lots of joy to bring and holly jollying to do, so let's get going.
And that's how you enable Drive with Santa mode inside of Waze. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.